but take a look. Today is my birthday.
How old are you?
8.
Woohoo! Happy birthday, buddy. Just having a little fun time at the beach today, hey? Before the party?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and also I have an idea. I'm going to make a tutorial on how to make an infinity loop in sand.
Okay.
I'm going to try. Okay. Okay, this is my lab. I'm going to do a circle infinity loop. This is going to be hard. Draw a circle. I would outline it with water. Then draw a smaller circle. And then and then a smaller circle inside that. You get it. It's easier to do it on paper.
Can I try something before we sign off the water?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I'm gonna see if I can draw a snail shell. Yeah, here I go.
That's an infinity loop. Except opposite.
There.
Congratulations. That's an infinity loop.
Thank you. Guess infinity loops are my thing. All right. Well, birthday video, check. Let's enjoy our time at the beach.
Okay.
This is LT.
CT signing off.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you.